I'd like to request for the vote of thanks by the Professor Dr. Vimalendra Kumar, the ICCR Chair, LBU, to give away his vote of thanks. And before that, I'd like to request to take a leave also. Thank you so much for your patience, and I'm requesting your forgiveness if anything wrong that had happened, and it was truly unintentional. Thank you so much. I beg to leave from here. Thank you.
करुणासीतल हरिणम भैया पज्योत विहतमोत्तमम सन्नामरो गुरुबंदे सुक्तम गति विमुक्तम सर्वदृष्टि प्रहरणाय सधर्मम देशयत अनुकंपाम उपादाय तम नमस्यामि गौतमम. Most respected Honorable First Secretary Ms. Gitanjali Brennan, most respected Chairman of this our session, academic session, Dr. Neer Bahadur Gurunji, most respected my Gurudev and mentor, philosopher, guide also, Professor Hirapal Gunganegi, Dr. Arun Kumar Yadav, most respected our Dr. Professor Basant Bidari ji, and my dear Dr. Kumar Kharka ji, and sitting on the dais our Deputy Mayor of Lumbini Cultural Municipality, Mrs. Kalpana Harijan ji, Dr. Vijay Thapa, Director IBC Lumbini Chapter, as well as President of Gumba. Buddha Jayanti is celebrated in Lumbini Buddhist University on the year of 25th 68th birth anniversary. She made contact with our Vice Chancellor, Registrar of the University at Kathmandu, and Mr. Vijay Thapa was the main coordinator to make contact of all these events. We are really very much thankful to our Indian Embassy, Mr. Gitanjali Brennan, as well as most honorable our Ambassador of Indian Embassy, Kathmandu, who allowed to hold this Buddha Jayanti at Lumbini Buddhist University. So, from Lumbini Buddhist University as well as from IBC, I would like to pay my deep sense of gratitude to Ms. Gitanjali as well as to our Indian Embassy Ambassador for holding and allowing this event. We are also very much thankful to our IBC Director Vijay Thapa, who selected our Indian speakers. That who will be the Indian speakers, it was decided by our IBC, and I am quite fortunate that my teacher, Professor Hirapal Gunganegi, and my student, Dr. Arun Kumar Yadav, were selected for that event also. So it gives me immense pleasure that they have come here and they have spoken at Lumbini Buddhist University. So on behalf of Lumbini Buddhist University, I pay my deepest sense of gratitude to my teacher, Professor Hirapal Gunganegi, as well as my dear Dr. Arun Kumar Yadav, who made it possible to come here at the land of the birthplace of the Buddha, and they have presented their ideas or thoughts related with world peace. We are also quite fortunate to have our one of the great archaeologists of Nepal, Dr. Basant Bidari ji, and he presented a very historical event that how Lumbini came at the time of the Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and how our King of Nepal, they made development of this Lumbini. So we are not quite aware of this event. So we are very much thankful to him on behalf of the Lumbini Buddhist University as well as Indian Embassy and IBC. I pay my deepest respect to our Professor Basant Bidari. We are also thankful to our Kumar Kharkaji, who presented his ideas or thought that what are the main evils or the conflicts in the society and what are the solutions and how do the compassion and the wisdom or right understanding are applied in our day-to-day life and how the solutions can be taken over it and how the world peace can be taken. So on behalf of Lumini Buddhist University itself, Indian Embassy and IBC, I pay my thanks, special thanks to Dr. Kumar Kharka. I am also thankful to Deputy Mayor of Lumini Cultural Municipality, Mrs. Kalpana Vijay, who made it possible to come here and who has accepted the invitation of our Lumini Buddhist University to come here, and she spoke about the historical importance of Lumbini and how the Buddha Dhamma can be applied in day-to-day life. So on behalf of Lumini Buddhist University as well as IBC and Indian Embassy, I pay my deepest sense of gratitude to Mrs. Kalpana Harijan. We are also thankful to our Acharya Sherpaji of Gumba Monastery, who made it possible and who accepted our invitations to grace the occasion. We, on behalf of Indian Embassy, Lumini Buddhist University and IBC, I pay sincere gratitude to Acharya Sherpaji. We are also thankful to our campus chief, Lumini campus, Dr. Mir Bahadur Guru, who at the very slackest, you can say, time, he was asked yesterday in the evening to preside over the sessions. He accepted our proposal, and we are very much thankful to him on behalf of Indian Embassy, IBC, as well as our Lumini Buddhist University. I pay my sincere gratitude to Dr. Mir Bahadur Gurunji, and I pay my special thanks to him. We are also thankful to our other football campus chief, Sri Paninder Niponeji, who made it possible. I pay my sincere thanks to Sri Paninder Niponeji. We are also thankful to other teachers of our life, Indra Kafileji, President of Adhyapak Sabha of Lumini Buddhist University, Dr. Gunakar Ji, and other newly appointed teachers of our Lumini Buddhist University. We are very much thankful who are present in this our bulletin. We pay our sincere thanks to all of the teachers. We are also thankful to our administrative staff and Chief Sri Pokhral, Lakshman Pokhral ji, and other his ministerial staffs who are present here. I am not able to name all the names, but all the ministerial staff, non-teaching staff of Lumini Buddhist University, they made it possible within a very short span of time. They have given their valuable help to hold this program on behalf of Indian Embassy as well as IBC and our Lumini Buddhist University. I pay my sincere thanks to all of you. The ministerial staff who made it possible for holding this, like Mahesh ji, IT staffs who are involved in holding the program very successful manner, Puskar Gavali, Pankaj Khatri, and other ministerial staffs who made it possible to organize this program in a very successful manner. On behalf of Indian Embassy, IBC, I pay my sincere thanks to all of you. We are very much thankful to all Venerable Malamas, all Venerable Piyaratna and his associates for the Panchasheel as well as Mangal Park also. So on behalf of Indian Embassy and IBC, Lumini Buddhist University, I pay my sincere thanks to P. Ratan Bhante as well as to Bajir Bhante also. I do not forget the help given by our Professor Suvarlal Bacharacharya, Vice Chancellor, and Dr. Tilak Ramacharya, Registrar of this university, who allowed to hold this Buddha Jayanti celebrations, supported by our Indian Embassy. So on behalf of Indian Embassy as well as IBC, I pay my sincerest thanks to both of them. We are also thankful to Professor Manik Ratan Sakya, Dean, Faculty of Buddhist Studies, and our Vice Chancellor and Registrar. Both were on the Vaisakh Day celebrations at Thailand. They could not be able to attend these functions. And Professor Manik Ratan Sakya was given the responsibility to hold, but his flight was cancelled yesterday. So on behalf of, anyhow, he was very much generous in arranging, giving invitation letters to all our teachers, faculty members, and other supporting staff to hold this program. So on behalf of Indian Embassy, IBC, I pay my sincere thanks to Professor Manik Ratan Sakya and all the persons who are present here. I do to remember all these names on behalf of Indian Embassy as well as Lumini Buddhist University and IBC. I pay my sincere thanks and deepest sense of gratitude to all of them. Thank you very much.